use the control center?
Yes, and especially when it comes to the short visits, when our pool tech is trying to cut corners, hey, what's up, man? It's like 3 minutes you've been in the pool. What is that about? Come on, man. If you don't clean the pool in 3 minutes, you know?
Hello, we're here with Carlos from Pool Trust Services, one of our clients. He's been with us for close to a year now, using our product. Carlos, how would you say PSS has impacted your business?
It changed very much my business. It's been very helpful, and also not even give us a lot of organizations, but also value to the company. We can communicate better. We can organize better the route. We can do our jobs more organized, precise. We know where is everything. And we can communicate with our pool techs very, very well and know where they are. It's been a game changer. Also, communications with my customers with the announcement feature. It's definitely something that we appreciate very well. Same thing with the reporting. Our customers are very happy because they feel more included in our business, and that's all thanks to you guys.
That's great. That's great. So would you say that it's helped you get more customers?
100%. It helps us get more efficient. It helps us communicate better, and it gives us a very professional look when it comes to our customers, and also gives us a lot of organizations and communications to our pool tech. So we love you guys. You guys are the best.
That's great, man. Yeah, we really pride ourselves on the customer service. How would you say the support? I feel like we're always trying to give the best support.
Yeah, 100%. It's easy to talk to you guys. You guys are very kind. These guys are the best when it comes to supporting. And Leslie, I love Leslie. Leslie, she's the best. She's a sweetheart. So,
all right, Carlos, what feature would you say impacts your business the most with PSS?
I would say the communication feature, the announcement feature. That's one of the best things the software has amongst other features, because it keeps my customers on the loop, which is very important in the industry, since we are very we're out there in the field. Sometimes we arrive to properties and the homeowner is not there and stuff like that. So they don't know when we did the job, if we did the job or whatever.
Right.
And also the reporting big time. Now, system-wise, I would say the routing. The routing is amazing. The quick route feature, this just helps you organize everything and
optimize your routes and all that stuff.
Everything. It's just a no-brainer. Easy to use and very user-friendly for sure.
Okay. What about have you guys used the control center? Have you gone into the control center and seen set the parameters?
Yes.
Where you can see your business in a snapshot?
Yes. And we see when we have short visits, long visits, when our pool, we're using a lot of chemicals. It gives you a good overview of the business. And especially when it comes to the short visits, when our pool tech is trying to cut corners, hey, what's up, man? It's like 3 minutes you've been in the pool. What is that about? Come on, man. If you don't clean the pool in 3 minutes, Yeah.
All right. Well, yeah. Thank you, Carlos. We appreciate it, man.
Anytime. Yes. Go get them.